Good morning, everybody. How are you? All feeling good? Okay. What is this? Anybody remember? Anybody? Yes, that's a triangle. A triangle is a figure with three sides and three angles. Very good. Then, what's this? Anybody know? It's a rectangle. The next one, parallelogram. Next, a square. Very good. That's a four-sided figure with four sides and four angles. What we call it commonly, you have learned it in the earlier classes. Huh. Very good. It's a quadrilateral. Then we need to discuss about five-sided figure. What we call it as? Don't you remember? No? Okay. Then it's a pentagon. We call a closed figure with five sides and five angles. We call it as a pentagon. Then with six sides and seven sides, what we call? A six-sided figure as hexagon and a seven-sided figure as heptagon. Okay. We are going to study about these all figures. All these figures calls a common name. Anybody know? Yes, it's a polygon. We call it, all these commonly call it as polygon. What was it? Anyone can say what's its definition? Nobody? Okay, then I will say. A closed figure with three or more sides is called as a polygon. A polygon is a closed figure with three or more sides. Okay, today we are going to study about polygons. Our chapter name is polygons. Polygon have many more properties. We need to discuss about that all. The first property we going to discuss is sum of angles. Anybody heard about this sum of angles? Anywhere? Yes, we have learned it in the case of a triangle. What is the sum of angles of a triangle? Yes, 180 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We need to discuss about the sum of angles of quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, etc. and also n-sided polygons. A polygon with n sides. First of all, we can discuss about the sum of angles of a quadrilateral. How will we find it? I will draw a figure for you. This is our quadrilateral. A quadrilateral have four sides and four angles. And also four vertex also. How can we find sum of angles of a quadrilateral? We can split this quadrilateral into two. We can draw a line from one vertex to another. What we get here? We get two triangles. This one and this one. Then how can we find the sum of angles? Yes, the sum of angles is equal to anybody can say? Yes, we can add these two. We know that sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, these two triangles, sum of angle is 180 degree. So, we can add these two or multiply 2 into 180 degree. 180 plus 180 or 2 into 180, which is equal to 360 degree. So, our sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now, we need to find the sum of angles of a pentagon. A pentagon has five sides and five angles. I will draw it for you. How can we split this? Yes. We can split this into how many triangles? Anybody can? Yes. From this vertex we can. Okay, then this. We get how many triangles? Yes, 3 triangles. 1, 2 and 3. Then what will be the sum of angles? Very good. Sum of angles is equal to 3 into 180 degree or 180 plus 180 plus 180. That's equal to 3 into 180 degree. How much is it? Anybody got it? Okay, 540 degree. Now we need to discuss about the sum of angles of hexagon. I will erase this and draw here. Hexagon is how much sides? Yes, 6-sided hexagon. How can we split? Yes, we can split it into triangles. How many triangles we will get? We can split it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then what will be the sum of angles? Yes, sum of angles is equal to how many triangles we got? 4 into 180 degree or 180 plus 180 plus 180 which is equal to, yes, 720 degree. So we find the sum of angles of triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon and a hexagon. How much is it? Yes. Sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of angles of pentagon is 540 degree. And sum of angles of hexagon is 720 degree. I will draw a table for you showing regarding all these things. In the first column, we need to write the name of our polygon. In the second column, we need to write the number of sides of polygon, and in the third column, we need to write the number of triangles we got when we split it. Sorry. All of you got it? How will we tabulate it? In the first column, name of polygon. In the second column, number of sides of polygon. In the third column, the number of triangles we got when we split it. Okay. Then, what was our first polygon? Yes, triangle. Our first polygon is a triangle. How many sides a triangle have? Yes, 3. Number of triangle? 1. Then the next polygon, what was our 4-sided polygon's name? quadrilateral. How many sides it have? Yes, 4. How many triangles we got when we split it? Yes, 2. Next, a pentagon. Our next polygon. How many sides a pentagon have? Yes, 5 sides. How many triangles we got when we split it? Yes, 3. Our next polygon, hexagon. How many sides a hexagon have? Yes, 6. How many triangles we got when we split a hexagon? Yes, 4 triangles. Then heptagon, etc. Then we have n-sided polygon. How many sides? Number of sides is n. Then look at all these. Anybody can identify any peculiarity? Yes. Here number of sides is 4. We got number of triangles as 2. When a pentagon is considered, we have 5 sides. Then we get the number of triangles splitted and we get 3 triangles. In the next one, number of sides as 6 and 4 triangles we get. So we can find that when the number of sides are given, the number of triangles we get is the number of sides minus 2. Which means here 4-sided means 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. 5-sided polygon 5 minus 2 which is equal to 3. 6-sided 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Then while considering an n-sided polygon, what will we get? Yes, n minus 2 number of triangles. N minus 2 triangles. Then how we find the sum of angles of a quadrilateral? The number of triangles into the sum of angles of a triangle, which is 180 degree. So how can we write? Sum of angles of a n-sided polygon. N-sided polygon is? Anybody? It's equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Very good. N minus 2 into 180 degree. All of you understood how it came? So, we can find the sum of angles of an n-sided polygon using this equation. Here in the n, we can give the given number of sides. Okay? Given number of sides. And we can solve the questions that have been given for us. And also we can find the sum of angles of a big number of polygons also. If the number of sides is a bigger number, using this equation, we can find the sum of angles. All of you clear? Yes. Then we are going to solve a problem using our equation. Okay, are you ready? Yes, very good. Our question is given here. Find the sum of angles of a polygon whose number of sides is 52. How can we solve it? It's a big number. We can't split it into triangles. So that we can use our equation. We can use our equation. Sum of angles is equal to how much? Sum of angles is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Very good. This is our equation. Using this equation, we need to find the answer. Our question is, find the sum of angles of a polygon whose number of sides is 52. So, our n is 52. This is the given item. We need to put this n is equal to 52 in this equation. Let's do. Are you ready? Yes. Then the sum of angles is equal to n. n is equal to 52. 52 minus 2 into 180 degree. How much? 52 minus 2? Yes, 50. Very good. Into 180 degree. How much is it? Solve it very fast. 9,000 degree. So we solved it. All of you understood? Yes, our question is find the sum of angles of a polygon whose number of sides is 52. Here we given n equal to 50 and 52 and we got the answer 9,000 degree. All of you clear? Okay. So today we discussed about polygons. Polygons, then sum of angles of polygon. Polygon is a closed figure with 3 or more sides. Sum of angles of an n-sided polygon is, remember? Yes, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now we are going to discuss about another type of polygon. All of you discussed about polygons. Now we need to rememberize. What was our triangles? Yes, a triangle have a 3 sides and 3 angles. If 3 sides and 3 angles are equals of a triangle, what will we call it? Yes, very good. Equilateral triangle. What we call it as? Equilateral triangle. When 3 sides and 3 angles are equal. Then, what is this? This is a rectangle. What's a rectangle's peculiarity? Is its length and breadth equal? No. Okay. Then is its angles all equal? Yes, very good. All the angles of a rectangle are equal, but the sides are being different. Then what about a parallelogram? This one. All the sides are equal of a parallelogram. Is its angles equal? Is it? Yes, no. The angles of a parallelogram are not equal. When the sides and angles of a quadrilateral is equal, all the 4 sides and 4 angles are equal, what we call it as? Very good, square. What will be its angle, each angle? Yes, 90 degree. So, a square. Our second one is a square. This 1, this 2. Then what was our 5-sided figure's name? Yes, pentagon. Very good. Then if a pentagon's angles and sides all are equal, what we call it as? Nobody know? Nobody? Yes, we call it as regular pentagon. It's a new term for you. What we call it as? A regular pentagon. A regular pentagon is a pentagon with whose angles and sides are equal. Our third one is a regular pentagon. We need to find these angles also. Our equilateral triangles, each angle is 60 degree. A square, 90 degree. We need to find these regular pentagons, each angle. Sides may be some other our likes we take it as when we draw. Then how will we find it? There is an easy method. We know that our sum of angles of a pentagon is how much? Remember? Sum of angles? Yes, very good. It is 5 540 degree. How many sides and angles our pentagon have? 5 sides. So our each angle is equal to 540 divided by 5. 540 divided by 5. 540 degree minus divided by 5. How much we get? Yes, 108 degree. All of you got it? Each angle of a regular pentagon is 108 degree. Then we can discuss about our six-sided figure. What was it? Hexagon. What will we call it as when its sides and angles of hexagon are equal? Yes, regular hexagon. We call it as, our fourth one is regular hexagon. When the sides and angles of a hexagon are equal, we call it as a regular hexagon. All of you understood? We need to find each angle also. Sides may be differ when we draw it as our like. How will we find? We find each angle of a pentagon here now. Yes. How we find? What was the sum of angles of a hexagon? Remember? Yes, 720 degree. Then each angle? Yes, 720 by how many sides and angles we have? Yes, 6. How much will we get? How much? No? Yes, it's 120 degree. Okay, it's 120 degree. Then what we can call it as a commonly when about a regular polygon? How can we say it? Nobody? Yes, a regular polygon is a polygon with equal sides and equal angles. A polygon with equal sides and equal angles, we can call it as a regular polygon. Understood? All clear with the concept? Okay, what have been we discussed today? Today we discussed about polygon, sum of angles of polygon, and about a regular polygon also. What was the definition of a polygon? Yes, a polygon is a closed figure with 3 or more sides. What was the equation to find sum of angles of a polygon? Yes, that is sum of angles of a polygon is equal to, with n sides, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Then we discuss about regular polygon. What is a regular polygon? A regular polygon is a polygon with sides and angles are equal. All of you clear? What have been we studied today? Okay, then we are going to winding up our class and we will discuss later. Thank you.